Hello and welcome, my dear friends, to Scotland. We're here, as I said, in Scotland, in the south of Scotland, and we're on our way to England. So, this is a border crossing video, and today we're crossing the border from Scotland to England, if there even is a border. We'll see, we'll find out. So we're here in this lovely village here. I have to go right. Where do I have to go? Right here. Okay, we're here in this lovely town in the south of Scotland, and we're on our way to England. Come on, England! And that's what we're doing. We're here in Gretna or something like that, which is a town, border town. And here we have a Gretna villager. Here we have a lovely, what's that, a castle, a church, something like that, Scottish brick church. And yeah, we're on our way to the south. So let's go. Look at those tombs. Yeah, those were like what, ancient tombs. And yeah, what's this? And I have no idea where the border is, but I hope we will be able to identify the border as border. So let's just go. There was a car with a purple ribbon on it. I don't know why, don't ask me. I'm not a purple ribbon expert. And welcome to Gretna. Gretna Van Fleet or something like that. No, I mean town. And yeah, South Car Park. So there's a car park in this town. I'm not really sure why, but yeah. So we're fed up with wild camping, and now we're back to the country within the country where you are not allowed to do that. So yeah, great, isn't it? So Caledonia Park, first exit. Since I'm not interested in visiting the Caledonia Park, I'm not taking the first exit. No, I'm taking the second exit, since we want to go to England. There's people, many people in Gretna, and yes, and there's supposed to be some kind of a river or something. So let's see. The river is the border. No? Okay, the river is the left side of what the hell? I didn't understand what you were trying to tell me, so we'll just find out. Yeah, sure, I know the border is on land, but we're seemingly crossing the border over a bridge. So welcome to England. There was a sign, so we already crossed the border seemingly. Did you see the sign? Are we already in England now or not? Yes, we're in England. Okay, great. So let's just go back onto the motorway. So we left the motorway to witness a border, and now we're back on our way to Carlisle, or what, on the M6 motorway. Let's go. Yo. Okay, there we are, back in England, back on the motorway. Bye, Gretna. Hello, Cumbria, or whatever the sign said. So yeah, we're not waiting for, like European style signs that tell us how fast we can go on the motorway, since Scotland and England share the same motorway. And there we have the next towns, Carlisle, Penrith or Preston, which are all a bit further south. So yes, look out of the window for a second, please. As you can see, this is England. Looks really English, doesn't it? Doesn't it? The weather, the rain, the wind, everything is so English. So yeah. Okay, I think we have enough of this video already. Let's end this video with a goodbye.